Good morning, Tennessee. This is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm here this morning in beautiful Vergne, Tennessee on a 5 and 12 3-tab asphalt shingle roof. It's got some issues from aging at the ridge here. Sealant on the nails is starting to expire. This roof is about, from my judgment, about 7 to 8 years old. We've got fasteners starting to pop up. Some wind damage where shingles have been compromised. This one is actually tacked, but may have been damaged on the installation itself. A couple other examples of stressed shingles here. This line right in the center, shingles tacked down well, so it may have been bent. I don't see any other wind damage evidence. Just one more heavily cracked shingle that it's split. So it may have been on the original installation. This one too. The rest of it looks to be in normal condition. Coming down to the 3 and 12 pitch over the patio off of the gable end, which is actually a 7 and 12. There's a bit of wood rot. There's missing shingles, there's missing wood. You can see the wood inside there has been eaten out. And it almost looks like we got a critter that's chewed its way through all the chew marks there. So this part really should be taken up, re-roofed, the wood replaced. It's going to be a little pricey because of all the complicated areas that are coming together in one. There was one wind-blown shingle here that did come off. It's especially dangerous on a 3-tab roof because each layer is set up to cover the laps and the gaps of the previous layer. So once you're a full shingle out, you've got a water intrusion point here. On this roof, there's 2 layers. So we've got our other layer, and right in there, you got your entry underneath the system. If you get too much water in there, you're gonna see a leak happening. This has been John Simpson in Vergne, Tennessee with Roof MD.